Good morning students. In last video we was discussed about what is meant by push down automata and what introduction to the push down automata and formal definition of the push down automata. In this video we can discuss about graphical notation of push down automata and instantaneous description of push down automata. Here graphical notation of push down automata means nothing but how we can represent push down automata in graphical notation in graphical format, that is nothing but graphical notation of push down automata. So push down automata can be represented in graphically different ways, but one of the best approach or best representation is finite automata method. So that means here each state is represented with circle and the final state is represented with double circle and initial state is represented with empty arrow mark or arrow mark with start indication. And here transition. So in push down automata, represent graphical notation of push down automata, transition is divided in, transition is labeled with three symbols. Transition is labeled with three symbols. So first symbol is what is the current input symbol, that means whatever the currently we are reading input symbol from the tape. So that is first symbol. And second symbol is what is the currently top of the stack. So that means, so at present top of the stack contains which symbol or which value, that is nothing but second symbol. And third symbol is the operation, output operation. So that, sorry, operation. So combination of current input symbol and top of the stack, we can perform either push operation or pop operation or no operation. So which type of operation can be performed? So that is indicated by the third symbol. So this type of representation is graphical notation of push down automata, or also known as instantaneous description of push down automata. Both are same. Instantaneous description of push down automata or graphical notation of push down automata. So now we observe how we can represent different operations in graphical notation of push down automata or instantaneous description of push down automata. So now we observe push operation. How we can represent push operation by using ID or graphical notation of push down automata. So here to represent push down automata, it can be represented as del of q0 comma a comma z0 equals to q1 comma a z0 or del of q1 comma a z0. So here what is the meaning of this notation means, here del indicates transition function and q0 is the current state or present state, and a is the input symbol, and z0 is the currently top of the stack, whatever the stack contains, whatever the top of the stack element or whatever the symbol or whatever the value was stored in currently top of the stack. Once again, here del indicates transition function, q0 indicates current state or present state, a indicates currently input symbol, whatever the input symbol was read from input tape, and z0 indicates what is the currently top of the stack. Then it can goes to either next state. So that is q1. Here q1 is the next state. A z0, which indicates, so previously top of the stack is z0 and current input symbol is a. So here we perform the push operation. That means this a can be pushed into the stack. So before performing the push operation, top of the stack is z0. Now we perform the push operation of a. So that means a can be pushed into stack. So now the stack contains a z0. So that is indicated here a z0. The meaning of a z0 is, so currently push element a into stack. Previously top of the stack is z0. So this is the representation of push operation in ID or graphical notation. So in transition diagram representation, it can be represented from q0 input is A, top of the stack is Z0, then perform the push operation. That means this A can be pushed into the stack. Then go to next state Q1. So this is the process of representing the push operation in push down automata. Next, we observe how to perform the pop operation. So which was also very similar to the push operation. The only variation is operation way of the representation of the pop operation. So here del of Q0 comma B comma A equal to Q1 comma epsilon. Here del indicates transition function. Q0 is the current state or present state. B is the currently reading input symbol from input tape, and A is the whatever the currently top of the stack. So that means top of the stack contains value as A. Then going to the next state Q1 and perform the pop operation. So this pop operation is indicated with epsilon. So that means whatever the top of the stack previously, so that is A, this A is replaced with epsilon. That means A is removed. There was no symbol. So that empty location is indicated by epsilon. So that is the representation of pop operation. So in transition diagram representation, here Q0 is the current state, B is the current input symbol, A is the top of the stack, then perform the pop operation and then go to next state Q1. So this is the representation of pop operation. So now we in push down automata, almost we are performing these two operations, push operations and pop operation. But in rare situations, we can also use one more operation, that is no operation. That means here we are not performing any push operation or not performing any pop operation, just to change the state from current state to the next state. So that representation is del of Q0 comma C comma A. So here del is the transition function, Q0 is the input Q0 is the current state or present state, C is the currently input symbol on input tape, and A is the top of the stack. Once again, del is the transition function, Q0 is the current state or input state, present state, and C is the current input symbol from input tape, and A is the top of the stack. Then go to Q1. That means previously state is Q0 and now next state is Q1, and top of the stack is A as it is. Before performing the operation, top of the stack is A. After performing the operation, top of the stack is A. That means no change in stack. Only change is it was changing from Q0 state to Q1 state. So this type of representation is known as no operation. Here only state will be changed. No change, doesn't perform anything on the stack. No push operation, no pop operation. So these are the various types of operations can perform in push down automata. So those are either push operation, either pop operation, and no operation. So just now we discussed graphical notation and instantaneous description is almost same. So now we observe what is meant by instantaneous description. So here instantaneous description is nothing but representing the push down automata operations is in the form of del of Q0 comma A comma Z0. It derives del of Q1 comma A Z0. So the meaning of this one is, so there is a transition from current state Q0 on input symbol A, on top of the stack is Z0, then move to next state Q1 and perform the push operation. So this type of representation is called as instantaneous description. So these are the details about what is the graphical notation of push down automata and instantaneous description of push down automata. Thank you. In next video we can observe several problems in push down automata. Thank you.